I have a fun project for you to create for the kids and keep them busy during the cold winter months while playing indoors. All you need is some felt, scissors, and a few other items to make a felt snowman with accessories. But first, welcome to Craft Drawer. Be sure to take a look at some of the links below for getting the right materials for this project and some free templates to use. Let's get started. Here's a fun craft project. For a snowman, you'll want 3 circles of different sizes to create the body, middle, and head. To get precise circles, you could use a template or draw circles freehand with a pencil or a marker. If you don't have a template, you can use household items like cups, bowls, or glasses of different sizes to draw the circles. What you will be making: a snowman out of felt for kids. Your finished kit will include 1 snow body approx. 7x11, 2 snow arms, 8 small black pom-poms, mouth, 3 large black pom-poms, buttons, 1 carrot nose, 1 top hat, 1 Santa hat, 1 winter hat, 3 sets of mittens, 2 scarves, 2 bows. Here's a cutting template with measurements that you can draw by hand or trace on cardstock. Materials needed for this project: white felt for the snowman's body, felt for accessories, arms, hats, scarves, mittens, bows, orange felt for the carrot nose, black pom-poms, small and large, glue or hot glue gun for pom-poms plus embellishments, best for kids Velcro, hook and loop, scissors, needle and thread. Optional materials: white cardstock to trace pattern, Velcro dots to help pieces stick. For the printable template, you can use the following measurements to create your own template. Snow body, 7 inches wide x 11 inches tall. Snow arms, 1-2 inches wide x 5-6 inches long. Hats, vary in size but approximately 4-6 inches tall. Scarves, 2-3 inches wide x 20-30 inches long. Mittens, 2-3 inches wide x 4-5 inches long. Bows, 2-3 inches wide. I Googled free snowman template cutout and found a bunch of free templates to use. I'll leave some links below. You can use Canva to create your template for the snowman or draw your own using the following instructions. 1. Cut the snowman base using scissors and cardstock. Use white felt, draw 3 circles stacked, or use bowls, cups as circle tracers. Cut as one single snowman shape so it's durable. 2. Cut arms, hats, mittens, scarves, and bows. Trace your shapes on the felt sheets, cut smooth curves carefully. Add white trim pieces for Santa hat, winter hat, and mittens. 3. Glue pom-poms. 3 medium pom-poms down the snowman body, buttons. 8 tiny pom-poms, curve into a smile. Leave eyes and nose movable. Kids love rearranging. 4. Add the nose and eyes to the snowman. Cut 2 tiny black circles from felt, or use felt stickers. Cut carrot nose from orange felt. 5. Make accessories for the snowman. Winter hat, add a pom-pom on top. Santa hat, add white trim plus pom-pom ball. Mittens, make 3 color sets. Scarves, cut a fringe at the ends for cute detail. How kids play: lay the snowman on felt board, flannel board, or a table. Children mix and match hats, mittens, bows, scarves, and face parts. Great for quiet time, sensory play, preschool, or travel. Optional upgrades for fun: add Velcro dots, helps pieces stay on better. Use glitter felt for hats or scarves, more sparkle and fun. Add storage bag, make it a kit. Add more costumes such as a chef hat, reindeer antlers, superhero cape. Tips: use a hot glue gun or needle and thread to attach the accessories for a more durable finish. Consider adding more felt pieces or accessories to make the kit more engaging. You can also add a stick or base to the snowman to make it stand upright. Thanks for watching how to create a felt snowman for kids. Check out the links below for more information on materials and other kits available. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.